All right, today we're taking a close look at National Engineering College, an autonomous institution down in Kovilpatti. Now, for all you students and parents getting ready for the TNEA process, the college code you'll need is 4962.
So, right off the bat, what's the first thing you need to know? Well, the college holds an A grade from NAC. That's a pretty strong signal about its quality, setting a high benchmark for its academics and overall standards from the get-go. And there's more. On a national level, it falls into the 201 to 300 ranking band in the NIRF rankings for engineering for 2025. This gives you a really good idea of where it stands when compared to colleges all across the country. Okay, so here's a quick roadmap of what we're going to cover. We'll look at the college's background, its official rankings, the engineering courses on offer, its connections with industry, and of course the big one, placements and alumni achievements. We'll also quickly touch on the hostel and transport facilities.
First up, let's talk about the college's identity and heritage. This isn't a new kid on the block. It's an autonomous institution that's been around since 1984. Let's break down the key details. It's a self-financing autonomous college affiliated with Anna University. Now for admissions, this is important. 65% of the seats are filled through TNEA government counseling, and the remaining 35% are through the management quota.
Their vision is to transform lives through quality education and research with human values. This tells you a lot. It was founded by Thoothukudi Ramasamy under the National Educational and Charitable Trust, so the focus right from the start has been on creating well-rounded engineers, not just people who are good at academics.
All right, next section, accreditations and national rankings. For any parent or student, this is a really crucial part. It's about the official stamps of quality. First, the basic check. Yes, the college has active approval from the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. This is a fundamental requirement, so that box is ticked. Now, this is where it gets really important, especially when you're choosing a branch. The National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, is a huge deal. And look at this. 5 of their core engineering programs have accreditation all the way until 2028, with ECE accredited till 2026. That's a very, very strong indicator of quality for those specific departments. So, what can you actually study here? Let's dive into the undergraduate engineering programs available for 2026 admissions. Okay, looking at the seats, the most in-demand branches, computer science and ECE, each have an intake of 120. Then you've got 5 other branches, including the very current artificial intelligence and data science, each with 60 seats. The TNEA branch codes are right there on the screen for you. And that AI and data science branch is worth talking about. They started it in 2022. What does that tell us? It shows the college is keeping up with industry trends and offering programs and technologies that are in huge demand right now. Good academics are great, but how do you connect what's learned in the classroom to the real world? Well, this next section on research and industry links should give us some answers.
Now, this is quite impressive. The college has several technobation centers set up in direct partnership with companies like Mistral Solutions, Brimma, and Vlinder. This means students get hands-on exposure to industry tools and projects without even leaving the campus. That's a massive plus.
And it doesn't stop there. The college also has a technology business incubator supported by the central government's Department of Science and Technology. So if you're a student with a great idea for a startup, this ITBI provides an amazing platform to help you turn that idea into a real business.
Okay, let's get to the section that's probably on everyone's mind, outcomes. We're talking about placements, alumni, and distinctions. This is where we see the results. According to the data submitted for TNEA 2025, the college reports a placement percentage of 90%. This number is a key metric, giving a direct snapshot of how successful graduates are at landing a job. One of the best ways to see a college's impact is to look at its alumni. For instance, Mr. Subramanian, who founded Brimma Tech, is a graduate of this college. It's a fantastic, real-world example of the kind of success stories that start here. And the success stories go beyond just academics. The college has a lot to be proud of, from their incubator getting government support, to a student team called Team Ideators winning national recognition, to students participating in the Republic Day camp, and even winning gold in Taekwondo. It paints a picture of a really active campus. Finally, let's cover the practicals, the things that make student life manageable day to day. We're talking about hostel and transport facilities. So here's the deal. They have separate hostels for both boys and girls. The mess provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options. College transport is also available, and for those traveling by train, the Kovilpatti railway station is conveniently close by. As we wrap up, just a quick note.
All the information we've discussed has been gathered from the college's own website and from trusted government portals at the time we put this explainer together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12 to engineering decisions.